makikipag-coordinate ako with DPWH kasi yung kanilang presentation kahapon, I need to understand that. Kailangan maintindihan talaga kung ano ba yung kanilang sinasabi na hindi ma-implement yung project. Of course, presentation yun ni Secretary Vince, almost 4 hours kami nandoon. But I need to understand sa kanila kung ano ba talaga yung sinasabi nilang hindi ma-implement na project.
To clarify, sir, pumayag na yung House na suspended na talaga.
Ipinabot ko sa aking counterpart. Inaantay ko yung kanyang feedback. So wala pa akong
Sir,
feedback.
ilang araw yun, sir?
Ano magiging institutional implication in Denmark?
Day lang.
What do we expect?
What do you mean institutional
I mean,
implication?
kasi po, are you prepared to let the process fail rather than compromise?
No, it's not this is part of the process.
So,
Discussing disagreeing provisions and also disagreeing concept is part of the process. So pinag-uusapan namin ngayon itong ibang opinion at ibang pagkakaunawa dito sa process ng DPWH.
For how many days, sir, masususpend? Ngayon lang?
Ngayon lang. So pag-uusapan namin with I'll talk to DPWH about this.
Sir, yung